Wala naman tayong pang swimming.
Ako meron.
Oh, I have no ano. Ito yung aming accommodation dito sa Siem Reap. Ganda. May hagdan. Yan.
Saan ba?
No TV, correct.
No TV, no rec. So what we are going to do? This one. Okay. Oh, ganda.
Wi-Fi.
Oh, room tour agad. Room tour. Room tour agad kasi nakabukas na eh. Mamaya magugulo na. Yan.
No. You cannot phone call. Cannot to us food.
Yeah. So if you want to order food, you can go down the upper.
Thank you.
Room tour. Room tour agad. Kasi guguluhin na mamaya. Yan oh, nagulo na nga. Ano to? Towel?
Yan o. Tingnan siya niyo.